one fine sunny afternoon, and here we are at the heart of the metropolis. Together with my homie, Tonton, we decided to capture Cebu's famous night market. But since it's still early, we roamed around first interesting areas the city could offer. What's up everybody? I'm now here with my homie, Tonton. And we're here at the new carbon market. Let's go. With such fascinating design and lots of food to choose from, the modernized carbon market, called the Barracks, is truly a remarkable place to visit. Oh, that's the third bridge waving at us. In order to get there, we need to pass the street of the old carbon market. This is where all the goods are delivered from different places. Day and night, this place never gets empty. No wonder that this is the favorite spot of every street photographer because of its never-ending moments. So we're now here at the Boulevard Singapore Vilay here in Cebu, and just look at the background. There's our bridge. Amazing. So as you can see, there's a lot of people here. I know, just passing time. Tonton setting up the drone. Let's go. Okay, let's just stop and stare at this breathtaking view of engineering wonder and God's painted sky canvas. And it's nighttime. That would only mean one thing: Cebu's night market. As soon as we arrived at Colon, the tent were already set up and lots of people flocked the area. What's up everybody? So we're now here at the Cebu's famous night market. Let's go! Hey, let's go! The street gets livelier as the night gets darker. Now this is where the fun starts. As we delve deeper in the night market, we saw lots of stuff to choose from fashion jewelries, perfumes, shirts, shoes, you name it. So we're now here at the middle of the Cebu Night Market, and this kind of vibe reminds me of the Hong Kong's famous night market. This is such an amazing experience and a good move for the Cebu government to implement this kind of night market to boost the economy here in Cebu, and also to help the local entrepreneurs here. So thank you, Cebu. Place may be mesmerizing, but always remember, pickpockets are everywhere, so be careful with your things. We're done here, so let's move forward to the food station. So what I like about this night market is their proper zoning. So as you see here, that's where the shoe station. This part here will be the food station. There's a lot of food stalls here. So proper implementation. This place is called the Chibugan sa Kamagayan. Chibugan comes from the Filipino root word chibog, which means to eat. The place here was packed full of diners who wants to eat their favorite food. All types of food can be found here, from snacks, desserts, drinks, as well as main dishes. I'm sure you and your family and friends will surely love. For us, we tried the sisig because of its mouth-watering texture. Perfect food for this long night filming. It's nearly 8 p.m, but more and more people are still coming here. It feels like a never-ending fiesta. I'm just full of awe of how Cebuanos really love this food bazaar. It's just amazing. I hope this vlog gave you an idea if you're planning to visit Cebu's night market. Wow, an amazing experience walking here in Cebu's night market with my homie, Torre. Thanks for having me here. Thanks for the support for the shoot. I was really impressed by how the city government helping the local entrepreneurs here in Cebu, and also they have an amazing systematic zoning
Well, as you can see here, that part over there would be the clothing station. Part over there would be shoe station. And over there, you can see in the vlog, would be the food station. What are you waiting for? You need to get to the streets. Streets and go on. And thank you, and see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye.